Menopause, like puberty, is going to happen. It's a natural evolution of your body. But when the hormones are, like Mike said earlier, erratically going up and then steeply down and then back up again, you have all of these symptoms. And then when they plummet too low, you have symptoms that can lead to long term health problems like heart disease, type 2 diabetes with the weight gain, and all sorts of other things. So we wanted to address this idea that menopause is a disease. It's not a disease, it's a part of your life. What is problematic are the symptoms that come with it. And then the other thing I think that we wanted to point out with this question was that people went to extremes to try and relieve these symptoms. And it's really scary. We're going to have some other questions about this further down. I'm excited by the prospect of being able to provide humane, appropriate, safe, and effective solutions to the menopause symptoms that all of us are suffering from. And it has nothing to do with a leech or bleeding or cupping.